Today I'm going to show you how to strengthen confidence in your deal models using our latest feature, Formula Audit. I'll walk you through how to quickly audit your formulas, checking for consistency so that you can validate your work or your junior's work and keep those models airtight. So to start, I'm going to audit this total depreciation row. I want to make sure that my sums are consistent throughout. And so I'll select the row and apply Formula Audit, either here in the toolbar ribbon or using the shortcut Control-Shift-Alt-W. Having done this, I can see right away that something is off. I can see that the visualizations are not consistent throughout this row. So to double check further, I can see that my sum is meant to go through row 23, but something went wrong in column I and it stopped short. So I'm going to update that here. Having made that change, the visualizations update right away as well. So I can have confidence that I've corrected the mistake and that this portion of my model is good to go. I'm now ready to remove the visualization, which I can do by just reselecting the row and then removing the visualization from here.